Ah, Lodi. From the first planted vines in the mid-1800s, this California region has flourished into a world-class producer of red wine grape varieties. Lodi's grapes benefit from warm days and cool nights and a dry growing season. Two mountain-fed rivers run through the region, delivering rich granite-based minerals to the soil. A blend of Cabernet Sauvignon and Gamay Noir. The Gamay brings floral aromas and earthiness with tart red berry and lively acidity. The Cabernet Sauvignon is loaded with black fruit flavors, cherry, black pepper, and hints of earth. The balanced blend marries the best of both varietals into an energetic medium-bodied beauty with vibrant acidity and silky-smooth tannins. Pair with grilled red meats, pizza, or roasted peppers. To view all the LE18 wines, visit wineexpert.com. These wines are only available through pre-order. Visit your retailer today.